Hey guys, are you want to buy best advanced 3D printing pen? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 3D printing pen that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, a Scrib 3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen. Create, draw, doodle, sketch, and build like a pro in 3D with our Scrib 3D Advanced. The Scrib 3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen features variable speed control, a large LCD screen to help monitor heat and ensure you have the correct settings, as well as a range of other engineering enhancements to ensure a smooth and accurate doodling experience. The temperature of the Scrib 3D Advanced can be adjusted by fine increments so that you can vary the thickness and flow rate of the extruded material. The pen is also ergonomically designed with curvature intended to fit your hand and a soft touch surface for optimal doodling comfort. This 3D pen set comes with our top-of-the-line 3D pen, 2 colors of PLA filament, a stencil guide with 4 free projects, and a 100-240 VAC 50/60 HC adapter, as well as being designed for the pro doodler. Easy to use and well engineered, the Scrib 3D Advanced 3D Pen is FCC, CE and RoHS certified. Bring your imagination to life today the advanced way, compatible with most types of filament, but works best with Scrib 3D filament. Now number 4, Nymt 3D Junior 3D Pen for kids. The Nymt 3D Junior Pen is certainly in contention for the best 3D pen for kids. Its bright orange color is immediately attractive, and at $39, it is well within the toy budget range. Its kid-friendly design is also complemented by its smaller than average size, which is very easy to grip. It's also charged by micro USB, so there's no need to be plugged in when in use. The Junior 2 is suitable for 6-year-olds and up, though it may be worth an adult setting things up. The bottom of the pen screws out for the battery, and there's also a hole to load in the filament strand. There are 2 indicator lights, one that indicates the battery is powered and another that turns from red to green when it is heated enough to start using. Besides the big main button closest to the nib is what's held down to extrude the filament and get drawing at your own pace. All in all, if you're looking for the best 3D pen for children, this is a top choice. Our third product is 3D pen Creopop 3D Pen. The Creopop 3D pen has a premium look and ergonomic shape. It's more suitable for children who won't accidentally burn themselves. There's also none of the chemical smell you get from burning what is essentially plastic. With Creopop, you create your own unique designs in different shapes and fantastic 3D art straight out of your imagination. Draw vertically, horizontally, or make up your own style. Also, Creopop P3D drawing pen is lightweight, easy to manage, and lets you release the perfect amount of ink for precision crafting and art. Just press the button, wait at least 20 seconds, and start drawing. Cartridges can be easily changed to allow you to create complex designs. The Creopop P3D pen is great for people of all ages, the best toy for girls and boys, and a great present for men and women who love tech or artsy toys. This is one pen you absolutely need. Now our second product is Nymt 3D Pro Printing Pen. Nymt 3D is one of the specialist 3D pen brands, and it certainly stands out with their Pro Printing Pen model. It has a thin ergonomic design for easy and comfortable grip and is a light plastic, which in this case makes it easier to handle for longer sessions. One of its standout features is a nice-looking OLED display. It keeps you updated on the status of the pen's temperature and whether the filament strand is running out. The Pro Printing Pen comes with a useful adjustable speed setting. This allows you to go fast and wild, or slow for those intricate and hard creations. It's also very affordable with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. It's a 3D printing pen with USB and wall adapter for power that can be used with the power pack, so there's no need to be permanently wired. And now our last choice is ThreeDoodle Create 3D Pen. The ThreeDoodle Create is a great professional 3D pen that beginners can also enjoy thanks to the templates it comes with and a great online tutorial section. The 3D printing pen uses 2 main filament types. Also, the pen is naturally larger than regular pens but is shaped well and not overly heavy. Its buttons are also positioned above the tip so you can easily press them while doodling. The typical PLA is found in most FDM 3D printers, and the more expensive ABS, which is a tougher and more durable material. It also hardens faster, which is efficient but not always good when you've made errors. Overall, a well-priced, easy-to-use 3D printing pen suitable for experienced users and beginners alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.